Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the batteries in this 2 gig DW10 thin door/window contact. The tools we're going to need for this job is a medium-sized flathead screwdriver and 2 CR2032 batteries, which can be acquired at any local hardware store. The first step is we're going to remove the backplate from the main motion sensor. The way we do this is we locate the tab at the top, we push down with some firm pressure, and we try to pry the plate away like so. It is quite difficult, so be patient with yourself. The next step we're going to do is we're going to take our medium-sized flathead screwdriver and we're going to remove the batteries. So the easy way is to kind of put the screwdriver in where these gaps are and just pry the batteries out like so. So as you see, the gap is on this side now. Flip it over, pry out the battery. Once the batteries have been removed, we're going to take our new batteries and we're going to put them in just like so. And we're just going to press down to make sure that they're in there nice and flat. The final step is we're going to take our back plate once again. We're going to line up the bottom edges again to make sure that they sit flush on each other like so. And then we're just going to press the top in until we hear a click. And once it's like that, we're all finished. And that's it.